Up until 1980, steel was the material of choice for brake systems in large commercial aircraft. Carbon came on about that time as an alternative to steel and offered a significant weight advantage over steel. And in the late 80s, Boeing announced that the 747-400 aircraft would use a carbon brake system. And Goodrich was selected as the sole source provider for that material. The Pueblo site was selected as the site to make that material. Following the wins of several additional programs, the site was expanded several times over the years. We currently have 300,000 square foot of manufacturing space here at the facility and about 255 employees.
We started our expansion in 2015 with started our design work, and then we broke ground in late 2015. And we're still working on that expansion right now. For me, the most encouraging and rewarding thing about the expansion has been working with the people at the facility.
The textile department is the first in manufacturing carbon brakes. First, we create material that is lightly needled and starts creating 3D architecture. After that, material is combined together, needled again to create more 3D architecture in the material. Then layers of that material are combined to create a board. Once the boards are done, preforms are cut out of the boards. The size of the preform depends on the program that's being made.
You've just come from textiles, and that's where we produce preforms. Come to the deck. This is the control room. This is where our centrally located to be able to run all the furnaces, where we answer alarms and put things on gas and do various things that have to do with the furnaces. As far as the process goes, it's pretty detailed. There's a lot involved. It's not just a matter of putting parts in a furnace and taking parts out or just monitoring it. There's more to it than that.
We're here in the machine shop. After pre-oxy machining is where we actually put the features on the individual parts, and they go and they become either rotors, stators, pressure plates, or end plates. And we do that through the CNC machines. Once the parts complete through the machining process, we give it a 100% inspection of all the features using a coordinate measuring machine.
Welcome to the finishing department. This is the last process in carbon manufacturing. Over the last few years, we've adopted automation and technology to make our process more robust, quality improvements, and process improvement repeatability. Here we use robots to apply a chemical to the carbon brakes. This prevents oxidation in the field. The parts then get cured in a furnace and go to our hardware area. Here we apply hardware to every part and rivet using our automated riveters.
The communication level is just awesome here. For the last year, we've been having gimbal walks from each and every aspect of the company, whether it be purchasing down to machine shop, and they have a manager or supervisor all come as a group, and we stand by the ACE board and communicate every single week, and I think it is gold. It is pure gold.
Welcome to the refurb department. In this department, we take used or worn carbon from the service centers. We will do an inspection. We will send it through a machining process. We will make a half disc. We will send it over to the finishing department where they will put two pieces together to make a full assembly.
This is our dynamometer used for brake testing for the 3 carbon facilities. And if all the discs are spinning, there's 125,000 pounds of rotating steel. 1,500 RPMs on the main shaft. The surface speed is 400 miles an hour. It takes about an hour to get all these discs up to full speed if we ever did that, but it would take about 4.5 days for them to spin down on their own. We're running quality assurance testing and engineering tests for the 3 carbon facilities.
I've worked here for 30 years. I really enjoy working for this company because of the respect that people have for one another.
What I absolutely love about this company is the people. It's how we treat each other, which in turn can also drive innovation. It's this type of culture that can create a competitive advantage.
I've been a Pueblo Carbon employee for almost 20 years, and the best thing about Pueblo Carbon is the people and our amount of involvement in so many things out in the community. We do so many activities and so many nonprofits. Our employees really care about our community and making it better and taking care of each other.
I just celebrated 5 years in January. It's a very welcoming site to come to, and there's a lot of mutual respect between the departments that's very obvious, and I think it helps to reach goals together as a site.